Please welcome from Deltares, Jaap Quadek, Jarl Kint. From Delft University of Technology, Kees Roos. From Tilburg University, Roel Brekkelmans. Dick Dan Hartog. From CPB Netherlands, Bureau for Economic Policy Analysis, Carol Eigenram. And accepting the award and summarizing their work is Jaap Quadek, Scientific Director of Deltares.
(1953). A northwestern storm drives the water of the North Sea up to a record level. Many dikes are too low or are unable to withstand the pressure of the sea. Large parts of Zeeland, South Holland and North Brabant are flooded. 72,000 people are evacuated. 1,836 are killed. The 1953 catastrophe made a deep impression. 2 weeks after the flood, the government formed the Delta Commission to make sure that a disaster like that could never happen again. On the recommendation of this committee, the Delta works were constructed in the following decades, considerably reducing the chances of another inundation.
De stormvloedkering in de Oosterschelde is gesloten. De deltawerken zijn voltooid.
But have they? Or will they soon fail to meet the requirements of our time?
Good evening. We are very proud to be here as one of the finalists of the Edelman Prize this year. And first of all, we would like to thank the organization for selecting us as these finalists. The project we are talking about today has the purpose to update the flood protection standards in the Netherlands in order to meet, indeed, the requirements of our time. Our project ensures that the investments in flood defense are cost efficient, in the sense that an optimal balance between public expenditures for flood defense on the one hand and expected flood damages on the other hand is achieved. Decisions regarding flood protection are certainly not static. Flood probabilities are increasing because the sea level is rising and the Netherlands is going down. Population and economic growth further increase the potential impact of floods. We developed an optimization model that includes all these dynamic aspects. Our project is of great value to the Netherlands. Before our project, the policy options towards the update of protection standards ranged anywhere between no change and an increase of the standards everywhere by tenfold. We showed that the standards should be increased in only 3 regions, where the potential loss of human life and the economic damage are largest. Investments needed amount to 3 billion euros. This is a lot of money, but this is 7.8 billion euro less than the costs needed to implement a tenfold increase, while the total expected damage costs decreased by 2/3 compared to a no-change policy. Now, our results have been accepted by all the water authorities as well as by the National Cabinet as the basis for the political decision on the new standards to be incorporated in the Dutch Water Act. Now, what's so special about our project? Well, first of all, we used innovative operation research techniques to present policymakers with a basis for spending public funds for flood protection wisely. But even more importantly, we are convinced that our method can also serve other countries confronted with flood risk to the greater benefit of all. Thank you very much.